Hello, in this video I will show you how to buy Solana on Phantom Wallet. Now it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just simply open your browser, then open your Phantom Wallet. Then just simply enter your password right over here. After that, just simply unlock it. Now in order to buy Solana, just simply click on this buy section right over here, or if you already have some Solana in your account, click on that particular Solana. No. So in order to buy Solana, all you have to do is just simply click on this buy section. Then choose the crypto that you would like to buy. So in this case, it's going to be Solana. So you can also use a search box over here in order to search your desired crypto. Now, over here, after that, just simply enter the amount of Solana that you want to purchase. Like for example, if you want $100 worth of Solana, you can do that. Or if you want to buy Solana using number of Solanas that you want to buy, you can also do that. Like for example, 0.1, it will show you how much you have to pay for it. Or 1.1, it will show you how much you have to pay again. So if you want to use this value or the dollar value, it's totally up to you. Choose any one of them and click on next. Then you will have two options right over here. And in both of them, you will find few different options. Like for example, in the MoonPay, you will have card and bank transfer. And Coinbase Pay, you'll have card transfer, bank transfer, and Coinbase accounts. So just choose any one of them. And then a small pop-up box will appear. Then just simply complete the sign-in process using any one of these options. So let's say for example, Google. So just simply use that. Then after you've signed in, just simply enter the amount of dollars that you want to spend. You will be able to see the amount of Solana that you will be getting at the bottom right over here. Click on next or continue down below. Then just simply add your payment method using a credit card, your expiry date, and add all the details right over here. And after that, just simply click on continue. And then within a few minutes, you should receive your Solana into your Phantom wallet. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.